The transformation of porn, of the way people live, the way young people live, is one of the sort of unrecognized shifts in our society. I think it's kind of embarrassing and sort of yucky to think about. When I look at my students in their 20s, they're a lot less active romantically than I remember myself being. This is not just, an old guy criticizing the young generation. I mean, there's plenty of data showing that young people are not as romantically involved. They're marrying less, they're going on dates less, they're having sex less. To me, pornography does very likely play a role in that because it provides a substitute and a distraction from romance and the dance of the sexes. If we don't have people marrying and forming love relationships and having children, it's the end. And we are looking at civilizational collapse. And that's not just hysterical conservatives saying that. If you look at the data, it's shocking how few people in their 20s and 30s are getting married and having kids and doing the things that traditionally have allowed people to live flourishing, happy lives.